busy day around the Midwest when it came to storms. For us, cloud cover throughout the day helped keep the energy down a little, and that resulted in just some light rain shower activity. But as you look at the storm reports across a lot of the Midwest, numerous reports of wind damage into central Illinois and tornadoes off to our north. First, our neighbors to the south saw numerous reports of strong wind gusts, also some tree damage or wind damage as a result of some powerful storms that swept on through earlier this afternoon. Even some reports of a tornado near Springfield. That all staged south of us because there was more sunshine in these spots, definitely boosting the energy. And then reports of tornadoes just outside of Eau Claire, Wisconsin earlier on this evening. All tornado warnings have expired, but it was this line of storms that did produce at least one confirmed tornado to the northwest of Eau Claire earlier on today. We may still see a little rainfall. We had light showers for the most part, barely some sprinkles in other areas across the state line. The cold front that's still trailing behind all of that activity has to come through late tonight. That could move in those showers you see off to our northwest. So as we turn to future track, we'll continue to see light to drizzly conditions up until about 1 in the morning. Then that line of shower activity off to our northwest catches up with us. So possibly a quick rumble of thunder or a quick shower early this morning. You can see before sunrise, still seeing some spotty light rainfall. Then after that, the weather dries on out and we'll kick off Wednesday with dry conditions. So an isolated shower possible tonight, otherwise 66. Another cooler night ahead. Could have some foggy conditions late overnight. You can see visibility starting to drop in a couple spots around Rochelle and Freeport, getting some reports of patchy fog, and that'll continue late overnight. Fog shouldn't be quite as dense as what Future Track is indicating here, but as you can see, the models are indicating some foggy conditions to kick off tomorrow before things clear out pretty quickly by the middle of the morning. End of the morning looking clear again, and expecting sunshine by the afternoon. So we start out cloudy and a little foggy, and then turn to sunny in the afternoon. Temperatures not all that warmer compared to today. That cold front basically holds things steady, so we'll stay in the middle to low 80s throughout the remainder of the week before we see some heat late in the week. So be prepared for dry yet slightly more humid conditions and eventually warmer conditions as we head late in the week. You can see with the forecast ahead, the difference humidity can make. So we basically hold steady through Thursday. A little humidity in the air means the heat index not too far off from the actual air temperature. But then, like we saw as of last week, higher humidity working in. That does boost that heat index up a little on Friday as we set ourselves up for a hotter weekend. We could get back to 90 degrees by the time we get to the weekend. And with the very humid conditions moving on in, it may feel like a good 8 to 10 degrees warmer than the actual air temperature. That gets us close to 100 with the heat index again. So be prepared for that hotter weekend just around the corner. Up until that point, cloudy for tomorrow morning, then sunshine after that through Friday. We have slight chances of rain into the start of the weekend, and then a better chance for showers and storms between Sunday and Monday before the weather cools back off again. James and Kristen.
All right, Alex, thanks.